fast.
Now Japan they say they only allow their citizens come out.
No, no, not good.
Not cocoa.
See this way in views now. Now he make the shoe, can't give him shape for that side. Don't be like saying that the last. Three down.
That's the lower establishment.
So guys, good morning. How are we? I hope you're really fine. This man didn't just dey buy motor anyhow. He don't go buy Tesla now. See motor full house. Who want the woman tell me? No,
You get 1 3 week like and try.
he don't go buy another. What's the color? See motor. This one is the one we did house for Abuja with this. So. Maybe if I have money, I'll just buy like I'll buy highest 3 cars. I'll buy 3 cars, one for myself, one for my wife. The other one will just be there for any. Yes. No, one car not going to do me because at least if I get like 3 cars, highest 4 or highest 5.
That will do this thing there. Because I don't say maybe the last.
But it depends on the kind of money you have, Sha. This life is level by level. Now I have that kind of money, so I would say 3 cars are enough. When I have plenty money, I want to get like maybe 10 or 12 cars, you know. So that's life. Now the money is not available, so I feel like 3 cars is okay.
When you don't get something, you will see her when you get her. When that time comes, or you see person they do and now you will say,
what will I waste money for? 10 cars. What am I doing?
Your standard self will tell you say you don't pass. What are you doing? Just 1, 2, 3 cars.
At least before I was saying, let me have 1 shoe. Now I have how many pairs of shoes? But still, I still want to buy more shoes. So I never reached that level, so let me just keep quiet.
one reverend like that. That time we did.
Eh.
Sister friend went and bought all these their gold necklace.
Necklace.
And something. 100,000. The sister Kwaraha. Why should she waste 100,000 for just chain and this 100,000? Wait. I want to come rich. She, I only be 100. Now 300,000 she go use buy am.
You see.
300,000. He went to his sister's place. He was charging for her 300,000. Money she for use do so and so. Do this. You carry 300,000 for just see that you put your hand on your neck. It is an item I say you no go understand because you are not yet there.
Yeah.
When you are there, you will know.
The truth is that when you are there, you understand how to spend money.
Say him now when he got it that he own this thing to him out money. See they see those things like that small something for him.
You know, when you have money, all this when you look at it, it's as if you are buying sachet water to drink. But if you're just starting life, that's why the car that I posted, everybody was like, hey, you don't go make money.
You know what people now that kind of thing. Just say you just know you pay normal bike now. The comment where you go get all the congratulations you go get no go read. But as you pull motor.
Somebody don't believe say I don't buy that car. Well, I go Benue till they come, they ask me, where your car? Where you keep your car? Where you keep your person come and say, please tell me true. Now true say you buy that motor. They say that for US com. But even if I have like 1 billion, I will not buy that car. Because the car is almost how much? 270 million. If I have 1 billion, maybe I'll buy a car of maybe 70 million or maybe 50 million. That will suit my status.
And this one get sharp.
You know, he be moved now. All na leather.
Mr. I will let you make it know.
I don't understand. Flash no days.
Kuchu. Kuchu be country.
Instead of to go.
It's good, man.
To pull last on talking so.
Good money is good.
That construction is different. They have different methods of
Good money, good.
This one no go spoil.
So get the exercise not picking a call.
I know it's that those ones
She has established already.
She has made money, so she doesn't want to pick somebody's call.
This shoe, see, Kiana prototype, so now only one leg.
Okay, only one leg.
Only one leg.
Only one leg. So who go make the other one?
No, for competition.
For competition.
Okay. So it's only like and he will come and make 2 legs of the shoe. The shoe is fine.
You never ever see her.
No, the way he started himself, the sewing and everything. Before I didn't like shoes, shoes and chinos, everything. My clothes, my jeans.
Okay, that leather wet. Okay.
No, let us stop. These are the work. I work for all this week here.
Oh God, I did not sleep for 10 years. No. Where will I put my shoe? I am all. They say, Koroko, Koroko. Where will I put my shoe? I am all.
Media just started shoe making. This shoe now.
Me with my career, don't I?
This shoe now like this, you go and sell am. How much you think? What?
18,000.
Woo!
How much will be the shoe?
Shoe more than 2 million.
200.
This is bespoke.
Okay.
But mostly everything in our hand. Only the leather I didn't want. Now grade A leather. Grade A leather now.
Now we like to do our shoe.
We'll be buy grade Z, man.
We still need a feedback.
Money we go use buy leather, and I go use go buy shoe for market.
This will be one of your old. But you see me house where you be. You see the trees around that place. Like say people know any house very close by.
Okay, the person, the guy.
Mm.
You know, some people they like quiet life now. Means if not because of
trees around, no house close by.
if not because of insecurity, me too, I would like that kind of place. The place
I
where
know say we go they like
Yes.
they get you see they go get house for city, they go get one house for vacation. And only vacation they go there. They say na lake house.
and all those houses that we have.
4.5K subscribers. Hawk. Roughing dust, leather dust. I know this one they comes now. Hawk for mine. That wine cup. News.
You go carry one wine. As I try to open and the cup.
The man when they will use standard there.
I carry and go house, go push and for next.
Yes, she has fully
That's how it is. As you get money, as you don't establish now, you don't answer person call.
Esther, how far? Are you in my change?
Yes.
How much?
650.
5,000.
Thank you.
How far now?
Ah,
Now
eh,
we'll begin to bribe me because
Esther, you don't talk to HOD.
I told you I want.
just
Laurent Zin. Roland Zin.
I told you I want.
They don't call Shane, don't call you HOD here. No.
everybody for here. Even this one, I HOD.
I told you this down here like this.
HOD or what? Audio studio.
Yo, HOD media.
HOD media.
So
Eh.
I do sanitation. HOD leader.
We say I need Coke. I need Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola is 350 naira. Plus a delivery fee of 50 naira. That's 400.
You said? Plus is it?
Coca-Cola 50 cl is 350 naira.
Oh.
Plus a delivery fee of how much? 50 naira. Making a total of 400
Hello.
naira.
So you mean
That's what I mean.
everything you are selling is how much?
Everything I'm saying.
Say they called you now. Have they been you picked your call now? You'd have just bring everything.
No, yeah, pass.
Esther,
Anyway.
thank you. At least now, the AC will be on.
Me too. I need key for AC for my room. I need remote. Nice. Upstairs.
No, TikTok.
Hello. Why are you doing your eye like that? He knows. Hey! Hey, so you people are here and speaking language.
We do things on phone.
This is their professionals. So
Give us. You just give us.
don't come and sell us. So yeah. I beg set that computer. May access the eyes. May know what they will talk. Set the computer.
You know what I mean?
I mean, they don't block.
No block.
What kind of drink do you have? I think that Sprite should be fine. Sprite, Abby. How much is Sprite?
Same price.
Price is the same price. Sprite is the same price. 50 million.
Yep.
That's so you're making money. You have established already.
Sarah, you want to take something?
Doesn't
Cake.
Give me a biscuit.
It's not biscuit. I only have donuts.
That one, wait, so wait, you don't get small unit.
That's not there. Actually, they were not really encouraging me. I want to go market today now.
mean I'm here. I want to take something. Yesterday is not even.
Market from here.
Yeah, suppose go. Make I go see how much.
If you check, I bet maybe I will send you make I chop one chop ugu and I want to do white rice chop ugu.
I suppose go. Alpha. So it needs Sprite.
Yeah, I think Sprite is fine.
Need some money.
You need some.
What did the guy do?
Okay, shoe.
The guy, dread.
Waxing. Just give us, then give us 2 donuts.
2 donuts. How many donuts do you need?
I don't need donuts.
Why?
I just need Sprite.
Why?
Because that's what my body needs. Yes, even to close this door, you cannot close this door. Now, wow. Everybody move your body now. Move is a good thing.
I will make this cashier open this thing and then make her buy this thing. I shall not buy it.
What do they do then?
No, they upgrade, see.
That stitch they very small. So you want
That's what.
and 1 centimeter.
Follow the width, the distance of the width.
Okay, yes. That will mean I see machine. This one could be moccasin.
No, normal sewing machine. The arm cylinder. See an old like that now. Old machine when you use it. All this kind of old look for.
They log it.
Don't buy all this new one. Now wood. Use am as nail. Put am in blue.
Hi. Too much congratulations. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I've not discovered him, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
When we see, we dey see.
HOD.
Work no dey here like e dey for
Now.
places.
Everybody just day in day now.
But the day, they maintain your lane. When you see me, sir, you dey talk to me like person wey dey superior. Because you don't get wetin you know for the multimedia. You don't know anything.
It's very funny, man.
You go carry person wey do for persons and dey treat
It's in Nigeria and they will just be mixing everything up.
you. No fit teach anything of Omoguyi. No fit teach introduction to Omoguyi. If dem call, if you dey do exam or test or something now, wey dem call am to come sit down, do review, wetin you go fit talk? If dem begin say exposure too much for picture, he go sabi wetin be exposure as a truth.
They even call reduce our money. People will reduce money, they know they teach.
Everybody like self, you know.
Hello? Brother, good afternoon. What else? Okay. Okay. So I'll be explaining to you now. So should I need to explain again? So as you are there now, you do so that they will even put that cover for me. Now go buy now. They be no put down now. When I did it, they be no put down. Say my amigo pay for the chamber DC. My ask for say how much? No, thank you. Me, I don't get it because that room where I be enter. Like so I take suffer the matter. I even explained to the landlord, say this one will even mean do one. Because if you enter my room, I saw my room they smell because of that smell they come from the toilet. It was long while I got discussing on and that toilet, the person they flush the thing they come bounce from my room. So nobody say me I not get that kind of money. Like, my wife is about to deliver, I don't get money.
Why this dog dey like this? I beg. Fat people dey.
If now another thing you could use your
Wetin be this?
you could do strength. This small door, you know one command the door. Says the something will just say power.
You don't bring the pure water again.
Who ask for pure water?
I didn't see the pure water now. No worry, I don't chop.
Yes, I don't establish now.
It should be there. You need water.
I
Delivery fee applied.
Let's say you don't do. Go bring water, my person. Which one be?
At the time money, me person do me transfer 1K.
Money to rent a truck. Or maybe two families wanted to travel together but couldn't rent a bus.
So I'm charging that. I don't know, is there light go there? This one environment there.
Light. I say, what light would you? Light there.
Now light, okay, light.
This guy hand don't suffer. See the colors. Compare.
Yeah.
This kind of thing is not good for us, but people see his hand. Now he,
What's not good for you?
any strong something, like something strong, we don't need it.
Esther, this your money strong. Oh.
Eh?
This your money. You come with high spirit. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, now.
High spirit as in. When I don't get money for account, we talk of the high spirit.
Transfer for you. How go do?
Go bring charger. I
They
mean
take
charger.
you and charger now. What do they do?
How you charge here?
You don't have hot one. A cold one. You can't do.
This is self-chew.
No, it's not. Oh, you said chill.
Self-chew.
Best served.
Chew.
This particular one.
They are all best self-chew.
But when you don't feel like drinking chilled one, what are you going to do?
They take tea.
Oh, this one is fake.
So,
I don't hear that. You just. This one just do.
Get one time, one person, one people.
Eh? This one not the original one though. I don't hear that.
but it did chew.
This one don't do.
That's tired.
So
I
we
just, make I just do. Now you do like that.
Esther, it's happened.
Very happy.
What happened to the light?
Lights. Light go off. Silent.
That's what we're facing in this place.
How far make I bring charger? I need them.
No, 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 you also answer.
1,000 naira. Now we draw 20,000 naira.
20,000. You understand?
I say you want withdraw 20,000 naira.
No. We withdraw. You see. I need to balance out something.
Business tycoon.
I need to send the money to somebody. And I don't have money in my account.
Should I send my account?
I'm broke.
Should I send my
Okay.
Good.
I
Should I
mean,
send my account?
Eh?
I say okay.
Let's just do this.
Esther, should I send my account?
Send now. Send. I don't need your account. Just send your ATM.
Don't be like say this donut not come to me.
Maybe girl, there's one particular
Don't worry, I
socket.
dey come.
Achunagi sheva huwa ha moja hana membe manje. But in them he know.
Nana, you dey go in market.
I want to pay this thing so that
Lady Esther.
No, for. I guess maybe I can even ask check his socket like one after another.
Me might get problem. See you stand here. Where I go see me call am from here.
now I start.
Yeah, where they start?
59 46 57 85.
Esther money.
Thank you.
This thing is sweet.
Okay, so we go balance and every inside, Abby.
And
The one where they go market.
I don't know yet, sir.
Esther, so how much they owe me?
250.
No, you owe me 250.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's cool.
Alright.
And they come that side of this one.
Okay.
That side will see the drops.
I'm owing you 250 now.
That's good. Well, now you're my business partner. Esther, come and close this door.
This
Esther, close this door. Esther said you should close this door. Hello, baby. After how far? I know, thank God. Where?
This one makes sense. This
Not
one
like
is
very
still-
soon. Maybe around that 4:30 or so. Where? So when you
Yeah,
come
they run
out.
out of movies to watch.
Even me.
Like yesterday, I go back, Saturday watch Terrible.
Mba also have.
This Bread of Life.
Okay.
Nepa ba.
Some people go their own Bread of Life because of
On the door.
and as I hear say you win MLB.
Yeah, okay, ba. You sure you don't need anything? Come on, so mommy there. Hmm? Okay. Mama, she nyan yan
Sites now free they run.
Some are free, some are. And for many of them, some features they free. Other features if you get one access them.
Okay, like,
Yeah. Drinking one number one but we'll call now so we Ghana and the quality
Eh?
the quality
No, forget quality. Go back quality.
it's okay some coconut wow they too long and that be the 3 per year you know